Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here, Pedro Fame. Back with another video for you guys. Sorry, I'm looking outside. But wanted to go ahead and let you guys know an update from yesterday. So we watched the UFC fight. Shout out to both fighters, Daniel Cormier and Stipe. That was a good fight. Both, I think, brought their best out of each other, and they both fought well. It's a very, very slick fight. A lot of slick punches, a lot of slick finger movements. I thought Stipe won, and he did end up winning. Good for him. We saw the O'Malley fight, which I said the other guy was going to win, and I won $5 off of it. So I knew it. I knew Sean O'Malley was no chance. Nah, I'm just kidding. He rolled his ankle, so. But I did win $5 off it because I did say the other guy was going to win, just for fun though. So I'm happy. But yeah, so I just want to get you guys updated on everything like that. So I think what I should start doing is start doing some more setup videos, some videos with more content, more firepower, more wham, for you guys, so you guys just can see what it is and what's going on in detailing, because I feel like it's kind of boring a lot of times to see just a person just talk. You want to see more than that. You want to see them do way more than just that. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and do more for you guys. Definitely put you guys on to some more. Let me go ahead and turn this down. To do some more for you guys. I know it's been pretty boring here on the channel sometimes, so I want to get you guys more involved, more seeing it, and get you guys to enjoy. So let me turn, so you guys can see the Xbox. You guys can see UFC 4. By the way, that game is not very good, unfortunately. Game isn't very good. It's not as fun. The best thing about it is career mode, but everything else is pretty boring on the game, to be honest with you. But I am excited for some new games that are about to come out, like Madden 21 and others. Oops. So you guys can see there. That's just what's on my TV. Whoa, that was a little too close. So, you guys can see my truck in the background. Oh, big 14, you know what I'm saying? You guys can see my laptop. I can't reach my baby. I'll go ahead and show you guys, because you guys probably are wondering, like, what the hell is that on your computer? It is my cover for it. It is really fucking cool. The C8 Corvette, street speeds to be exact. That's when he got his. So I thought it would be cool to show you guys some of that and show you guys to just something cool. Thought it was just a little something cuckoo, So I'm glad I can get that out the way. But yeah, so there's gonna be more videos. Man, I'm gonna shoot more videos. I'm gonna do some more things. I really want to get you guys really involved in my content, really involved in my life more than I have. I keep saying I'm gonna do that, but for real, I'm gonna do it. Like it's not a matter of a game anymore. I really want to start making money off of this, and I want to do this for my career. I really just want to stop working my 9 to 5 here at some point. So I definitely want to get this popping, get this ready for you guys. It's gonna be crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like I already am in the process of looking at which one I'm gonna get, either Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. It's very dependent. I don't know exactly what I'm going to get, but when I get it, you guys will know, because my videos will look better. And at that point, I'll let you know who I got, who I'm going with. I've been watching videos back and forth to see which one is the better one to get, Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere. So like I said, I'm going back and forth with that, seeing which one I want, which one I'm going to use. So I'm pretty happy with both. I would be happy with both, but for what I'm going to be doing, which one works better, which one is a great one to use. So I really want to get into that. I'm going to be purchasing it here in the next week or so. I want to get more information on it, anything like that. If you guys have some information you want to share with me, if you guys have had either one or used them and want to let me know how they are, please let me know down in the comment section down below. I'm really wanting to know what you guys think is the better editing software to use. And another cool thing, right over to you guys, but Don't worry about this mess right now. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that, sweetheart. Is the tablet. A tablet came in. This is a free tablet that Samsung gave me. Had enough points, some reward points to get it, so I got it. It was free. It's like a $100 tablet. It's pretty small, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like and stuff like that. It is dead, unfortunately. I killed it. Not really. I didn't really left it on accident, so it's dead. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys at least that. Also, these came in. The Germany's came in. They came in last week around the same time, or on Friday or something like that. Yeah, they came in last week. Really cool. I've used twice now, so pretty good, I would say. They're really comfortable, just like the other ones. I knew they were going to be really comfortable. They're good to use. I love the black on them, to be honest with you. I love these and the Mexico ones so much. Will I buy another one? Who knows? You never know, man. You never know, man. I might. So you guys just gotta stay tuned. Wow, can't even say that. Stay tuned and see what comes next for you guys, and see what I'm going to be doing in my next upcoming videos. I am going to be doing some car content for you guys, showing you guys my dad's truck, enjoying that, so you guys can see that. It's gonna be a cool video for you guys. Also, I'm gonna be doing some more videos for gaming, so you guys can see. Also, I'm saying also a lot. I need to chill. I need to start finding a different word to use. But yeah. Whoa, Corona. Hey, you know what I'm saying? No, I'm just kidding with you guys. I don't got that. I don't got that stuff for the allergies. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys some new things that came in, and also talk to you guys. I really need to know though, Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro. Which one do you guys recommend? I know you can only get Final Cut Pro on Apple products, and so if I ever did go to Android, or did ever go back to Android, I would be effed. And when I mean my Android, I mean Windows. So I would be kind of effed that I wouldn't be able to use my software anymore. So I'm thinking about doing Adobe for that reason alone. But obviously, I'm watching other videos, seeing what I can do, like what is some things that would be great. Yeah, and I'm trying to save up some money, man. I really want an iMac. Like, it's getting to the point where I might just order it and just say fuck it. But I don't got the money for it right now. I would have to sell literally a lot. I have to sell a lot to buy it. But I am thinking about it. I'm going back and forth, really trying to see what's the best option for me. So hopefully I can buy it. I'm really kind of going back and forth with that too. If I do buy it, what will happen to the laptop? Will I get rid of it? Things like that. You know, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of thought process that's going into this decision. But I definitely do want an iMac. A lot. Just because I think it would be such a good thing to have, and I know that computer's gonna last me a really long time. And I want the 5K 27-inch version. I don't want that 21, man. I don't know, but I might get a 21 and then wait for the redesign and then just buy the big one of that one. So I don't know. So thinking about that one. I think I would do that one. I'll get a 21-inch with a 5K display. I'll get everything mid. I don't need anything hugely great. I'm not processing like, you know what I'm saying, amazing, or not amazing. This is gonna be amazing content, but it's not like I'm filming things that are very intensive to where I would definitely need that. So it's kind of up in the air, but I am thinking of getting an iMac and getting rid of my MacBook Pro for it. So let me know you guys' thoughts in the bottom below. It's gonna cost close to $2,000. So if I do this, it is definitely gonna have to be a decision that I'm 100% at peace with. I think though I am kind of at peace with that decision. I just don't know when I'm gonna do it. If I should wait until next month or should I do it now just so I can get content rolling out from there. But you guys let me know down in the comment section down below what you guys think. Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, iMac or MacBook Pro. Let me know what your comments down below. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, guys.